Yo, what is up, guys? Camilo here, and I hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend. And so, I normally don't do videos on Sundays, but I decided to jump in today and wanted to update you all on YouTube as to what we're looking for and what we should be expecting or could be expecting coming into this week and for the end of the year. Now, as you know, the markets have been trending higher, all right, ever since March 2020. Okay, and people have been expecting a market crash or market correction for for quite some time now, and we've reached a point in the markets or in the charts, right, that are suggesting that maybe, just maybe, that will come to fruition. Okay, now every time we see a pullback or sizable pullback in the markets, I like to present to you guys our alternate Elliott wave count that suggests that we are at the top and we may see just a ever so slightly trend higher, but then a pullback to retrace this entire move from March 2020. Okay, now I want to point out to you guys and just study this real quick, our simple moving averages, right? This is the 50 and this is the 200. These are the most popular indicators or moving averages that a lot of people won't pay attention to. Hedge funds, Wall Street, retail traders, we all pay attention to these two because they're the most common ones. And so what we're noticing, guys, is that the 50-day simple moving average is the one that, it's the one that has been holding the market up. Okay, we seem to have broken below it here, retested it, broke below it, but then ever since, let's take a look here, October 30th, we've been holding it and riding it all the way to the top. Okay, now, yes, it's true. There's been instances where we break below it, but we find our way back up. But ever since we've been testing it, now the question is, are we now at a point where we are going to follow the same trend, or are we going to break below and go down and retest this 200 moving average? And that remains to be seen, right? We just have to wait and see what price action does and take it a day at a time. But what I'm here to say is I'm not here to foretell what's going to happen tomorrow or in the future. All I can say is prepare for what is about to happen or what could happen. Now, this wave interpretation suggests that we've reached the wave 5 of the primary degree wave 1, and now it's the 3-wave pullback in the wave 2 is at play, or it could be at play. Okay, and let's review quickly what this wave count looks like on the daily time frame. So from the March 2020 lows, we went up in 1, ABC pulled back into the wave 2. We found support at the 200 simple moving average. We rallied into wave 1, ABC pulled back into the wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, 5 to complete the third wave of the intermediate wave degree. Now we pulled back in 3 waves, held the 50-day simple moving average as support, and now we broke out into the 5th wave of wave 1. Now we've reached points in our retracement tools or extension tools that normally will fall for an extension of the wave 5. So the 38.2, 23.6, we're sandwiched between those two levels. And here's the thing now, guys, are we going to test the 50-day simple moving average and then head on higher, or is this the pullback that everybody's looking for? Now, levels to keep our eyes open for if this plays out is the previous wave 4. Okay, the previous wave 4 normally serves as an ideal area of support for the reversal. Now we would like to see 5 waves, okay, in this wave A. Okay, so 5 waves down, and then once we see support, okay, I don't think, me personally, I'll trade this, right? Because not until it's confirmed that substructure, okay, because we'll have to dive into the substructure in the 1 hour time frame or the 45-minute or 30-minute, right, to start counting waves and start counting to see if certain levels are broken, certain guidelines and rules, Elliott wave rules, are broken, and that will start confirming if this wave A is at play. Okay, so that's what I will wait for. So if you want to follow through with that, if you want these updates daily, consider joining Trending Waves. It's totally free. Just click on the link that it will be pinned in the comment section down below. Also, if you're enjoying these videos that I put out every single day, give me a thumbs up. Okay, click that subscribe button and hit that bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I upload these videos. I do appreciate every single one of you for the love that you show me. My channel is growing, so I am very happy, and I will continue to update you guys as best as I can when markets moves like this. Now, so once we see a 5-wave pullback in within the smaller time frame, okay, then it is confirmed. Okay, that's the wave A. And now what we'll do is that we'll wait for a typical retracement in the wave B. So 5 waves down, 3 waves up, and then we'll take a anything between the 78.6 to 50% retracement of this wave A. Okay, so it'll be the 78.6 or even the 50% retracement, and then another 5 waves low. Okay, that's what we will look for if this is at play. So until then, we're just going to keep on writing out our preferred interpretation, which I will show you in a second. And that preferred interpretation looks like this. Okay, now if we compare the two charts, guys, we're going to compare them, right? And obviously looking at the 200-day simple moving average, right, this is still the same idea. Now, what do I have this white line across? Because this white line across suggests that the 50-day simple moving average will fall in line or have confluence with this level, this area here. And this area here shows a clear level of support and resistance, right, for the market. So once we broke out here from July 19th low, we held this zone for quite some time before we were able to break out of it. We lost that level, but found support at the 50-day simple moving average, and then we broke out again. Now, is that the trend? Is that what we should be looking for? Is that what we're going to be paying attention to coming into the end of September, or middle of September, end of September, coming into October? But now, look, guys, keep in mind that traditionally speaking and statistically speaking, okay, the best months for the S&P or for the markets have been from November to April. Okay, from May to October, it's been its worst months. So, the summer and then early fall. There is the seasonality chart out there. You guys can look at it, and it does sort of foretell or show the similarities in what we're talking about. So coming into September, okay, we're still maybe trading sideways. We may be see a dip, but ultimately and statistically speaking, November to April are usually the best months for the markets. Now, we are going to look for the 441.78 support to hold. We may break below it, okay, but then take off. Okay, now that's what I'm looking for. That's what I see in the markets. But like I said to you guys at the beginning of the video, every time we see a pullback happen, I like to refer back to our alternate account, which will suggest this otherwise. Okay, now the game plan is this, guys. If we see a sell-off this week, okay, we start seeing the markets move lower this week, we don't hold the 441.78 level, or we don't hold the 50-day simple moving average, then we should start looking for a 5-wave development in this zone here, in the wave A. Okay, once this wave A is complete, find support at the previous wave 4 or this 200-day simple moving average, then 3-wave pullback to retrace this move, and then we could take advantage for the wave C. Again, this is not an all-out breakout to the downside to crash the markets. This will be healthy. This will imply, and this will mean that anybody who missed this entire rally could eventually take advantage of this pullback and add to their long-term portfolios. All right, anybody who's been on the sidelines, because why would that be? This is the wave 1, guys. Wave 2, wave 3 is the longest wave. All right, you've experienced this right here. Wave 2, wave 3, massive gains here that were made. Okay, some of us missed it, some of us didn't. But all I'm saying is that be ready, have cash at hand. Okay, I know I am trying to raise cash. If I make plays, it's just very small size, to be careful, because you never know. Okay, so that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to guide you, because this has helped me in the past. Okay, now with that being said, thank you so much for joining our Sunday video. Thank you so much for joining Trending Waves. Again, if you want Elliott wave analysis for any charts that you like, join the Discord group. It's totally free for a period of time. Join. I'll send you the details as to what you should look for, and then we'll take it from there. Subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, hit that bell notification icon, and I shall see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Take care. Peace out.